Civic. I'm dipping in my Civic. Okay. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic. I got the free gas.
What's going on, y'all? This is your boy LS Rod 254. We tune in for another one. As you can see, I got a GoPro in hand. I ain't had time to slap it on the dashboard and all that stuff, man. We are leaving from the gym. We're headed back out to the junkyard to get that other Sony radio that we did find. I'm not gonna worry about a warranty. This one I'm gonna just kind of roll the dice on, man. Cause I very, very, very highly doubt that it's bad. Or maybe I'll just put a 1-day warranty on it. That way I'm not all the way up shit creek. So that might be the move. 1-day warranty. I don't need 5. I'm gonna go home, put it on the battery. If it works, if it don't work, I'm taking that shit back tomorrow. Plain and simple. So yeah, man. Like I said, I was supposed to go back yesterday to the junkyard. I just wasn't feeling it. So today we headed back out there, going to secure that radio. Cause even if it worked, and I don't necessarily need it, cause in the C10 we definitely gonna have to make some modifications to that mount, which shouldn't be nothing more than like a little saw action. You know what I'm saying? And then, like I said, the Chevelle can use one. Cause that screen, it has an issue with the CD player coming in and out, and I'm like, the music videos and all that playing and stuff, I'm not really off into all of that no more. So it's all good, man. It's all good. So get a regular CD player, you know, Sony Explode, and rock from there. So like I said, I mean, down the line, like the Chevelle is far away from music and stuff anyway. But, you know what I'm saying, since I did go through all that and made a video about pulling it out the dash and stuff, it's only right that it live right there in one of the vehicles. You know what I'm saying? The C10, not the C10, the Caprice got that. The Caprice has the Pioneer. I'm actually like, my preference is Pioneer decks. However, you know what I'm saying, when you go to the junkyard, you know what I'm saying, you get what you can take, get what you can find. They did have some older Pioneer decks, but I don't really know how I feel about that. I'd rather get something newer, because at a minimum, man, like, I gotta be able to plug in an aux cord. You know what I'm saying? I would really prefer Bluetooth, but an aux cord at the exact, like, at a minimum, so I can plug the iPod in. Like, if I gotta take the iPod over to another car, then, you know, do it that way. You know what I'm saying? Like in the Ram, you know what I'm saying, you got aux cord, I got Bluetooth, you know, I got all that. You know what I'm saying? And the Caprice, CD, I think a CD player, I think I can put an aux cord on that thing. So, who knows? Who knows what it's gonna do? We'll look at the features of the radios and everything, and, you know, kind of see what's gonna be the best fit. Maybe the Sony Explode goes off in the Caprice. So, I'll link back up with y'all as soon as we get to the junkyard. Alright, so we back at the junkyard, man, doing a damn thing. We just came for the radio. If it's here, we grabbing it. If it's not, we not. So what's this? If anybody needs a Monster cassette player adapter, there you go. I think it did a pretty good job of hiding it. We're gonna check and see if it's still here though. And you know, while we're here, you know, take a look around. Now, where did I hide it? What would be a good vehicle to hide it in? V6 Vortec. Ain't nobody swapping them. That's a little C10 or S10. Engine, transmission, parts, wheels, tires. As you can see, the little deck. It looks like we've been got, people. I had it covered up by this and that, and to no avail, I've been got. So it's no biggie. Like I said, we was just looking. Tell the motherfuckers they welcome, right? Nah, it's all good, man. It's part of the junkyard game. I done got people slipping. I want to say the scenery looks a little different. Might be some different stuff out here. Nothing there. Silverado. Motor gun. I think they say what they gonna take off that bitch. What they can take and what they can salvage and sell for the most. That's kind of why I like the other yard better. That's why I say I think there's something wrong with this motor, because I ain't take it. Why else would it still be here? But I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I know for the most part, I think they pulling their damn self. It does look like we got some new candidates. I don't believe all of these was here. We was missing like a row or some shit. I know that was there. A lot of this stuff was here. Let's go back a little bit deeper. The Z85 Vortec. This is when it caught on fire. Let's see what we got. Oh, looky here. These are actually pretty tough to come across. The 3-piece covers. Goes over the alternator part. We can find that third piece. This trip might not be so blank after all. As we looking on the inside, man, I don't see the third part. It's a three-piece cover. I'm sure a lot of you guys probably know what I'm talking about. But it's a three-piece cover for the engine. And this one was a 6.0. That's why I know the yard got it. I put the other pieces to the engine cover on the inside. Middle piece. I got that left hand side to go over the alternator, but we are missing the piece that goes on the other side. And that fucking sucks because that would have been super duper dope for. I probably would have put it on the Caprice. Actually, it's broken right there. Is that broken? Yeah, that's broken. But almost. We keep looking. Alright, let's see. This is probably another 6.0. Turn it all the way up. All the way load up. But yeah, I think these are like the new recruits. Got a clutch fan. I'm good. I got a clutch fan and a pump. I can't get the fan off of it. Next time we're gonna hit the junkyard, we're gonna go to the one out yonder. I'm gonna show y'all the third one that's in my area. I haven't actually been out there in a while, so I know they might have some new stuff by now. Got a Safari van, Buick, TBI. This is another one. I'm pretty sure it was a 6.0 or 5.3. Whatever it was, the engine was good. And they took it out. Now I want to say the good stuff. Or maybe they pulling it for the people. Maybe they're trying to make it easier for you. I think they're trying to profit as much as they can personally. But it's all good. So yeah, this road's still empty. So I doubt that they done got in depth with some of this stuff. That 6.0 engine cover would have been dope though. Let's see. See if we can run across a Pontiac G6 with a roof. They definitely got more cars and trucks out here. I should have hid. I should have hid my thing better, brothers. I was coming back for that city. I should have hid it like over in somewhere else. Maybe back over there in Honda's where I found it. Alright, then we back. It's a little screw on top of the microphone mount. It came loose. I have to tighten it up when I get to the house. so it's really nothing new, y'all. Really nothing new. Hey, you know it's gang. That's the only thing I real. I'm just trying to make my mama proud. I don't really see nothing else out, man. I'm finna go on and take it to the top. If I had enough time, I'd go to the other junkyard, but based off the time, it is now 2 o'clock. I gotta be home to get my little one at 3:30, so that ain't gonna happen today. So, signing out till next time. It's your boy LSJ 254. Tune in for the next one.